Hello friends, I just now created this wonderful line chart wherein I can show maximum points and minimum points with colored markers. Here as you can see, this is the highest point in this whole line chart and I have marked it as a green, the green marker. Similarly, I have also done for the lowest part also, the lowest data point in our line chart. So this is going to be the topic of this tutorial where I will teach you how you can achieve this kind of line chart wherein we can show maximum and the minimum points in the form of markers, and we will also add data labels to it so that whatever we wanted to convey we can do it using this line chart. So let's begin. So this is going to be the base for our line chart. So this we already know how to create, but how to add maximum and the minimum data points, that we need to learn in this example. In order to get maximum and the minimum data points, we need to create two DAX measures that is going to help in this example. So we need to create two DAX measures. First is going to be the max data point and second is going to be the minimum data point. So first DAX measure, I call it max data point, or you can call it max data label. So for this example, I am going to use max function, max x function. It is asking for a table, so we will simply give a table that is going to be written by all selected. Here I will use simply the date, order date. In expression, I will simply use revenue function. I mean revenue tax measure. So if you see, if I drag this into my value shelf, it is giving me a simple line wherein I am getting 15,000, as you can see in my tooltip, that 15,000 is my line over here. So it is repeating in all the cases, right? As you can see. So I have used all selected because I want my function to respect my current filter selections. So basis that, it is giving me the maximum point based on my current selections. Okay. So now what I want is a data point that should come over here, not a complete line. For that, I simply use a if function. If my max value is equal to revenue, then I want the result of max, else I need a blank for that. So simply using this option, I will get a single data point over here. So as you can see, I have achieved that, and I will simply use similar function to achieve the minimum data point. I just rename it, and I will simply use min-x function, and I'll achieve the min data point, and just simply need to drop that minimum data point measure also. So I'll get that also. As you can see, I'm getting that. Now we have achieved our maximum and the minimum data points. Let me make few formatting changes so that it will look as per our requirement that we have seen in the first page of our tutorial. So for that purpose, I have first removed the legend. As you can see, it's no more here, and I also remove the y-axis also, and apart from that I also remove the title. In order to make my two data points stand out differently, or I'll make my revenue line lighter black. In maximum data point, I just simply use the green color, and in my min data point I simply use the red. Now, how I can add the data labels? I simply need to enable data labels for all my data points here, and I'll go to the customize series, and for revenue, the revenue measure, I will simply disable the data points. So we have achieved our result. Thanks for joining in. Have a nice day ahead.